Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming whether your HP computer monitor has an HDMI input. Many laptops and PCs lack HDMI in, so you may need a USB capture card. Once done, power down both devices to avoid detection issues, then plug a high-speed HDMI cable from the Xbox Series X HDMI OUT to either the monitor HDMI in or the capture card HDMI in. Make sure the capture card is rated for your target resolution, because you want low latency and correct pass-through capability. Now you configure the connection. If your HP display accepts HDMI in, switch its input to the port you used and power on the Xbox. Adjust display resolution in Xbox settings to match the monitor. If you chose a capture card, plug the card into a USB 3.0 port on the PC, install any required drivers, and launch your capture application. Once open, add the capture device as a video source, set the canvas and output resolutions, and confirm you see the Xbox video feed in the preview window. Finish by routing audio. Choose whether the Xbox outputs to your TV/monitor, a USB headset, or the capture card, and set that in Xbox audio settings because mismatched audio stops sound. Then enable game mode on your monitor and lock the resolution and refresh rate to prevent automatic changes during gameplay. If you see no signal, check cable seating, test alternate HDMI port, try a different USB 3.0 port for the capture card, update graphics and capture drivers, and reboot both the PC and Xbox before further troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.